Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Mars 2 Pro is probably one of the most anticipated and talked about products in the consumer electronics space recently, and for good reason, as it promises to deliver a revolutionary user experience that could redefine how we interact with technology on a daily basis, making it a compelling option for anyone looking to upgrade their current setup or dive into the latest advancements. Number 5. Golden Sun. The epic journey of Darrow continues in Golden Sun. Prepare for a new chapter filled with intense action and political intrigue. Experience a universe on the brink of war. The choices made will shape the fate of humanity and the very fabric of society. Friendships will be tested and loyalties questioned. Who can be trusted when the stakes are this high? Discover the true cost of ambition and the sacrifices required to achieve it. Power comes with a heavy burden. Dive deeper into the Red Rising universe. This installment promises to be more thrilling and thought-provoking than ever before. Follow beloved characters as they navigate treacherous landscapes and face their greatest challenges. Their stories will stay with you long after the last page. What we like. This is a story of rebellion and survival in a harsh, stratified society. If you love intricate world-building and morally complex characters, this is for you. It's perfect for readers who enjoy epic sagas with a strong focus on personal growth and political maneuvering. What people say. Pierce Brown masterfully continues the saga he began in Red Rising, delivering a sequel that surpasses its predecessor in every aspect. Brown expertly crafts a diverse array of personalities, each with their own motivations, flaws, and secrets. Brown's vision of a future society divided by color-coded castes is as fascinating as it is horrifying, with each new detail adding depth and complexity to the world he has created. Number 4. Mars Wellness Premium Universal CPAP Tubing Hose. Introducing the Premium Universal CPAP Tubing Hose from Mars Wellness. This 8-foot hose is designed for optimal performance and comfort during your sleep therapy. Each package includes two 8-foot hoses, providing a convenient and reliable supply for your CPAP machine. Enjoy uninterrupted therapy with this essential accessory. Crafted with quality in mind, these hoses are proudly made in the USA. Experience the durability and reliability that comes with American manufacturing. Designed to be universally compatible, it fits most CPAP machines and masks. This ensures a seamless connection and a hassle-free experience for your sleep apnea treatment. Upgrade your sleep therapy with this premium tubing. Its flexible design and durable construction contribute to a more comfortable and effective night's sleep. What we like. Ensure a consistent and comfortable CPAP experience with this essential accessory. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting replacement hose that fits most machines, this is an excellent choice. Its USA manufacturing guarantees quality for uninterrupted sleep. What people say. Hose doesn't pinch down or kink like the first. The ends fit tightly on both the mask and the CPAP, which means there are no leaks. It is also 24 longer than the standard, which is great when you turn away from the machine, no pulling, no jarring. On the package, it says that it is both PBA and latex-free, another plus. Number 3. Mars Wellness Filter Kit for Philips Dreamstation 2. Ensure a clean and fresh flow of air while you sleep. Our filter kit is crafted for high-quality performance, helping you breathe better. It includes both reusable pollen filters and disposable ultrafine filters. These work together to block dust, pollen, and even smaller particles. Installing them is simple. Just slide out the foam filter, attach the ultrafine one, and place them back into your device. You'll receive 4 reusable pollen filters and 20 disposable ultrafine filters. This provides ample supply for your needs. By keeping dust and dirt away from your machine, these filters protect your health. Enjoy a longer lifespan for your device and better sleep. The reusable filters are made of blended synthetic fibers, while the disposable ones use polyester fibers. They are designed for effective particle and odor filtering. What we like. Breathe easier and protect your CPAP machine with this comprehensive filter kit. If you prioritize clean air and want to extend the life of your device, this is the perfect solution. With both reusable and disposable options, it caters to various needs for optimal sleep therapy. What people say. These fit my husband's Philips Dreamstation CPAP machine just like the name brand. It works on my Philips CPAP Dreamstation too. I've ordered these before so I know they fit well and work. Number 2. Enhance Pro Gaming Mouse Bungee with USB Hub. Experience unparalleled responsiveness with this essential gaming accessory. It offers fluid cable support for precise movements and ambient lighting to match your setup. The spring-loaded cable support moves with you, ensuring smooth, unrestricted motion. This allows for easier aiming and micro-adjustments, giving you the edge in competitive play. With 4 active USB 2.0 ports, you can easily hot-swap your gaming mouse, keyboard, headset, or flash drives. Keep all your essential devices connected and accessible right on your desk. Set the mood with 7 vibrant LED color modes. Choose from a spectrum of colors, including red, blue, green, yellow, light green, purple, or a dazzling rainbow effect to complement your gaming rig. Its weighted design and non-slip grip ensure a sturdy base, preventing any unwanted sliding during intense gaming sessions. You can focus on the game, not on repositioning your gear. Enjoy your new accessory with confidence. All Enhance gaming products come with a 3-year manufacturer warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. Elevate your gaming setup with this versatile accessory that combines functionality and style. If you're a competitive gamer seeking improved mouse control and a clutter-free desk, this Bungee is ideal. Its integrated USB hub and customizable lighting enhance both performance and aesthetics. What people say. All ports work and love the Bungee for my RGB mouse. Build quality is perfect so far. Feels comfortable to use as well. Adjusting the colors is as easy as pressing the little button on the side of the hub. The mouse cord holder is actually more helpful than I expected it to be. Everybody comments on it and compliments how great it looks, especially at night. It's pretty, it sits in place without moving too easily, my mouse annoyance days are truly over thanks to it, it's got nice lighting as an added bonus, and the fact that it acts like an extra 4-port USB hub is very welcome. Number 1. NEBULA Mars 3 Air GTV Projector. Introducing the NEBULA Mars 3 Air GTV Projector. Take your favorite movies, shows, and apps, including Netflix, wherever you go with this portable Google TV projector. Experience a breathtaking cinematic view with its 1080p HDR display and 400 ANSI lumens brightness. Dual 8W Dolby audio speakers deliver rich, immersive sound, transforming any space into a theater. Enjoy up to 2.5 hours of uninterrupted movie watching on a single charge. It can even play up to 8 hours of music, making it perfect for extended entertainment sessions. Our advanced technology automatically adjusts the picture with keystone correction, autofocus, and obstacle avoidance in just 3 seconds. Get the perfect picture effortlessly. It's not just for movies, use it as a powerful portable speaker to liven up any party with your favorite music. Enjoy versatile entertainment, anytime, anywhere. What we like. Experience big screen entertainment anywhere with this smart, portable projector. If you desire a high-quality, hassle-free viewing experience for movies or parties on the go, this is your answer. Its built-in battery and intelligent setup make it incredibly convenient for any setting. What people say. The Mars 2 Pro has a large 8.9-inch 2K LCD screen, which provides a high resolution for detailed prints. It features a powerful Z-axis motor that ensures stable and accurate printing, reducing the risk of layer shifting. The build volume of 168 by 102 by 155 mm allows for printing reasonably sized objects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.